A little west of nowhere is my town. Fading elegance falling down. Somewhere lost between the cracks, the world rushed through this place. I hope it never comes back. Politicians said, put your doubts aside. But spin is just another word for lie. They took this land, betrayed our trust, ground all our dreams away, left us tears and dust. So I started one September night. Sometimes you just do what you feel is right. With a shovel and some seedlings from a friend, and a will to try and make some kind of amends. I plant for you, I plant for me, I plant a prayer of hope with each and every tree. All for a world I'll never see. In the evenings you can find me planting trees. At first it was only me, and there wasn't much to see. Anger and despair still grip the town. Leave it to the children to turn such things around. They started coming in ones and twos, wanting to know what they could do.